Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how you can fix the black screen display capture in OBS Studio. In step 1, go to help and check for updates. If there are any pending updates to the program, simply download and install it. In step 2, click on this plus button and go to display capture. Select OK and under the display select the monitor and click OK and see if this helps. If it is still not recording, then move on to the next step. Go to Windows settings. From here go to System, click on Display, scroll down and click on Graphics. Now here click on Add Desktop App. Now go to this PC. From here navigate to the given location. Then select the OBS 64 file and click on Add. Now expand OBS Studio and under GPU preference select power saving or high performance. I am using the power saving. If it is not working for you, then you can select the high performance as well. That's it, the issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.